Hi, my name is Dr. Purohit, and today I'm going to give you a quick tip to improve your life, and that is mindful eating. Mindful eating is a way to eat in which you are present with the experience of eating. So, it all starts with the plate in front of you, taking a look at it, examining your food, and even smelling it. Right? Slowing that process down instead of shoving food into our mouths, right? So you're gonna slow down, you're gonna look at what you're eating, you're gonna smell it, and then you're gonna take a bite. And you're gonna savor the full bite. And then you're going to observe how the bite feels going down your digestive system, right? It goes down your esophagus into your stomach. You can feel that much, right? So take a moment to observe that. And try eating an entire meal like that, where you are just with your food. You are with the experience of eating. And that's my tip for Polish your life.